Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Raising a fund from limited partners requires a track record, an investment thesis, and a competitive advantage. It's important to show you have a track record of successfully deploying capital. Investors want to know what you'll be investing in and is that space growing. And finally, they will look for your competitive advantage in finding and closing deals. In raising a fund from limited partners, add these three statistics to your pitch. Track record. Have your IRR, MOIC, or TVPI numbers available to show. This is most often an IRR number or MOIC. If you haven't deployed funds and don't have a track record, it's best to build one before launching a fund. Target market growth rate. Show the growth rate in the market sector you are targeting. Investors invest in growth, so look for a growth sector in your target market. Competitive advantage. Investors want to know what you have done that they don't in employing capital. This could be a network of CEOs who bring you deals and help you diligence them. Call out the number of people in that network and something about them, such as their geographic location or their market sector. Use these three numbers to anchor your pitch. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.